Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain what Instagram Maps are and how this new feature works. So let's go ahead and get started. Instagram Maps is an opt-in feature, meaning it's completely optional, that lets you share your location with friends and explore posts based on places. Think of it like a mini Google Maps inside Instagram, but for stories, reels, and posts from people you follow or nearby creators. Now, here's how it works. When you turn on your location sharing, your last active location can appear on the map. To go there, just click on this icon, and there you go. You can see the map. So from here, you can actually choose exactly who sees it, your followers, close friends, or even a custom list. Your location only updates when you open the app, and you can turn it off anytime. Even if you don't share your location, you can still use the map to discover public content, like stories from friends at a concert or reels from creators in another city. It's also important to know that the feature is off by default, so no one can see your location unless you turn it on. Meta also added extra privacy and safety settings for teens, giving parents more control through supervision tools. So basically, Instagram Maps helps you see where your friends have been and find cool content around the world, all while giving you full control over your privacy. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.